I ain't got no grippers. I ain't got no grippers. I ain't got no grippers. I lost them long ago. I lost my goddamn grippers. I said I lost my grippers. I said I lost my grippers a long time ago. I walked out the door this afternoon. Oh, what a sight I did see. It was a big mean hound dog snarling right at poor me. Well, I thought about running and I thought about hiding, but the main thing on my mind was the warm, wet gliding. Running on down my leg was the nasty brown drippers. I couldn't hold it any longer because I got no grippers. I ain't got no grippers. I ain't got no grippers. I ain't got no grippers. I lost them long ago. I said I lost my goddamn grippers. I said I lost my grippers. I said I lost my grippers a long time ago.